Hello my darlings, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see Dr. Kev Patel. He's one of the best dentists ever and he has moved. He used to live at my old, close to where I used to live, and now he's moved and now he's in very much in central London, very close to Oxford Street as a matter of fact. And so he said, Fumi darling. I said, yes, doctor. He said, come on through. And I said, well, you know what? I've kind of gained a family over time. I'm not talking about Adrian. I'm talking about my cyber sisters. So can I bring them along? And he said, absolutely. So we're going to go and see him. And he's sharing the building with Skin Care Goddess. And so we are going to find out about fillers and all Botox and all of that. Yes, I'm in my 50s. I'm 52. I can try it out, or at least I can inquire and find out what's happening for you guys, huh? So let's go. The sun is out again, having a fabulous day, and let's enjoy it together. Yeah. No makeup because I want them to, check my skin and everything. So I thought, you know what, we're going commando of the face. All right. It is so hot. It is so hot. I'm losing weight. Look, I always lose weight on my chest first. I wish it was my thighs first. But nah, alas, my chest. So we're almost there, my darlings. Let's see what they have for us. Darlings, we're here. We've arrived at Dr. Patel's heaven, as well as Skin Care Goddess Natalie. I'm going to spin it around, and you have Dr. Kev. Doctor, how are you? Say hello.
I am well. Fumi, it's amazing to see you back in my clinic. It's been so long. How long?
2.5 years because I was pregnant. Yeah. And then doctor had a baby too.
Yeah.
A beautiful son.
Yeah, 6 months now.
Yes.
But it's amazing to see you in my clinic.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you know what? We're going to split this in two. We're going to start with doctor. Doctor will tell us real quick, or do we leave you for now and come back? So please tell us what you do.
So I am a general and cosmetic dentist here at Bond Dental, as well in the West End of London. So why I wanted to set up my own clinic is I wanted to create a practice where no one has to ever leave and go somewhere else, okay? A one-stop shop has everything. Comprehensive dentistry, general dentistry, specialist dentistry, facial aesthetics, okay? Skin care, we've got medical doctors, we've got general dental doctors here, specialists, oral surgeons, and people want that now because I know people are always referred to other places and they don't know what's going on with their care.
Yes.
So it's so important to have something that's managed in one place. So yeah, so I created this, and what better place than the heart of London, which is W1, right near Baker Street.
I don't want to leave. I think I'm going to move in. I have a sweet tooth and I do eat chocolates every once in a while.
Okay, fine. So we all have sugar. We love sugar. I love sugar. Okay, yeah. But when it comes to your teeth, you want to make sure you have sugar with your meals, so don't snack. So if I had a bunch of grapes, I'd have 10 grapes together with a meal. I won't be kind of have one grape every hour, okay? Every time you have that bit of sugar, your teeth is attacked with acidity, okay? We want it to make sure that you have one attack rather than lots of multiple attacks.
Because it attacks the teeth every single time.
And that's where it breaks it down, okay?
Wow.
So we want your teeth to stay neutral most of the time and then maybe drop to acidic when you have that meal, okay?
Yes.
And then your teeth stay healthy and strong, okay? And there are things we can do to help prevent things like, for example, fluoride toothpaste, that's really good.
Yeah.
Balancing those acidities, so things like chewing gum, sugar-free gum is great, okay?
Yes.
A lot of people say chewing gum's bad, but it's actually good if you're sugar-free, because what it does, it stimulates saliva.
Yes.
Yeah? And saliva, okay, is like our natural buffer to to buffer that acidity. So if I had some grapes, my mouth's acidic, if I chew some gum afterwards, it will stimulate saliva quicker and it will buffer that acidity so my teeth are stronger. Does that make sense?
Why didn't I know this? Fantastic, I get it.
So what I'm saying to you in summary is don't snack. Have it with your meals, okay?
I understand.
What we want to do. Okay?
Because Ula is like that. He's like, let us have dinner and then we have dessert and then he's done.
Yeah.
Whereas I will have dinner and I'll go and read something and I will have my dessert while enjoying the movies or something like that. Now I get it. You have your lunch, you have your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. Try not to snack too much in between.
Exactly. And things what I do to help neutralize that acidity. So after I have my lunch, I might chew on some gum, as I said. Okay. Other things like cheese. Okay. Yeah. And obviously thinking about calories there, but even if you have a glass of wine or some fruit, cheese is a great neutralizer, balancing of acidity. Wow. That's a good one. Even vegetables, raw vegetables, because you're chewing on that stimulates saliva. That's a great snack. I'd rather you snack on those sorts of things rather than kind of like fruits, which is a common thing I know people snack, or kind of like dried fruits, and that's actually bad as well. Sticky stuff. Because even if I have it in only once, if it stays stuck in my tooth's continually surrounded by acid because it's stuck in the tooth, isn't it? Does that make sense? If you understand that principle, hopefully we avoid so many cavities, you know? Yeah?
Absolutely. Yeah. It makes it so much, oh my God.
Boring stuff, I know, but it makes a difference.
I love it. And we are going.
So let's take some photos of your teeth, Fumi.
Okay.
So we want to check the health of them.
Yes.
So as dentists, they must always take photos.
Okay.
That's really important. So we know where we're starting from.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so let's do a smile. So, if you put your chin down, okay, yeah, I'm going to have to, because you can't lean back.
Yeah.
So in fact, actually, let's lean you forward, that will make more sense.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, so if you turn towards me, okay, yeah. Lovely. Okay, can we get some cheek retractors in? And open wide. Okay. That's it. Now Fumi's holding her phone, so don't worry. Okay. And bite down on your back teeth. Bite down on your back teeth. That's it. Ooh, just gonna get in there. Yeah. Bite down. That's it. Okay. Now separate your teeth slightly, Fumi. Okay, and bite down again. Okay, we're going to just pull that back slightly. Yeah. Turn towards this way. That's it. So we get it. And bite down on your back teeth. So that's how you'd always bite. Okay. Okay, and come around to the other side. Very well.
Now I'm going to put this on. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Okay,
Yes.
Well, actually, yeah, dentist or in the West End, hey? Like in the theatre.
Fantastic.
So we can tick her back a little bit.
It's amazing.
That's fine. Okay.
So
and open wide.
Open again. Open
Open
wide.
wide. And breathe your nose. Okay, so we can look at those areas. And lean it back a little bit further. Push back. Open a bit wider for me. And push that back. Okay, that's it. And it should lower. You lower that.
Thank you. Open, please.
It's amazing. Amazing. Wow.
So this is like 3D. So we can send this all the way to California in about a few minutes. It's incredible.
Amazing. The technology has advanced. They just scan instead of molds, guys. Just look, and they can send it to California in a matter of minutes. Wow. And just look at that. These are my teeth, guys. And just look. Bond Dental. This is where you need to go. and it's going to be a series of maybe 8 episodes, and we're starting from scratch, getting everything together. You're gonna love it. You are going to love this.
Everything is in the planning.
Everything is in the planning, guys. Yeah. It's in the planning. Oh my, so excited. Lovely to meet you, Natalie.
You're the sunshine. You literally come in and brighten up the whole room.
I live for it. I live for it. So tell us, Natalie, what kind of treats do you have for myself and my followers?
Anything that's going to make you feel better about yourself, but without physically changing you. So you're not going to look like anybody different.
Yes.
It's all going to
just a younger, fresher, plumper version of me.
Individualized version that's going to make you just feel fresher.
Yes.
But without looking overdone. That's
overdone. So let me ask you, do you do fillers? Do you do Botox?
Do fillers, Botox, skin peels. I work with Obagi and Zio skin products, so for home skincare.
Yes.
And it's mainly what you do at home. It's going to help you to keep your results for longer.
Oh yes. So are we going to try out some fillers? Are we going to try some Botox?
So we'll have a look and see what you need, because you're so stunning. I don't think you're going to need a whole treatment plan.
Oh, I love this.
But we've got a Enzyme Facial today.
Yes.
Which is for skin brightening.
Yes.
So perfect for summer when you just want a nice fresh glow, but you don't want any downtime. You don't want to be peeling or itching or anything intense. Just nice and gentle, refreshing.
Oh, I love it. I love it. All right. That sounds like a plan. Let's get it together.
See you soon. We'll show you the finished results.
Thank you. Bye. So you were saying,
I was asking, whereabouts are you in your cycle? Do you still have regular periods, or are they irregular?
I still have regular periods. I'm not a fan, but they're regular.
So we're just talking about Fumi's skin, because she has a lot of oily skin.
A
lot of people, it's a really big complaint. They don't like the oil.
No.
But your skin does tend to look slightly younger if you have got oily skin, and I'm asking because of the age. So once you get to a certain age and you have menopause,
52, but I'm still drip a drip.
But when you do go through menopause, your hormones level change.
Yes.
And when you have reduced estrogen, a lot of women will report dryness. So not just in the face, like in other areas,
over,
you will experience dryness.
Oh, so not yet.
Not yet.
So how do I keep myself having cycles? Now that I know.
I don't know, a magician, but
yes, I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Yes, my darling. So, we're so excited. We're going to we're having a Q&A, a consultation, and she's just trying to cater to my skin type, age, what I require, and I told her a little bit of my concerns here and there, and she's just going to go through now with like a facial, and from there we're going to see what we're going to come up with. Yes, my darlings, what do we think? Yes.
Just still. You look straight, and I'll just come around. And if you look to that backdrop, so you're straight, and I can see you with wide back. And then if you look to the door, 360. And you relax. Come back straight. And eyebrows up very high. Really lift them. Yeah. And angry, frown. Oh. Not with the nose.
Okay.
Push the up. Yeah, there we go. It's not the same. Try just push it. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yes. All right, my darlings. So I'm going to relax, Dr. Natalie, and we are going to have a facial. Kept parking long, right? And this is what now?
This is just the facial wash.
Aha.
So there's nothing special about this one. It's just to make sure that you're cleansed and you're clean before we put the Enzyme Facial on, which is a blend. It's fruit enzyme, so it's natural. It's mainly papaya based.
Fantastic.
So it smells lovely if you like papaya.
I do like papaya a lot. Yeah. That's it. This is an enzyme brightening facial.
It's no downtime.
No
so
downtime.
You don't need to plan to have a few days off. You literally can go out straight away and you don't see any like redness or anything that you have to avoid.
Fantastic.
Okay, first step is the papaya mask.
Yes. Oh, it smells heaven. Oh my God.
This is the papaya mask. Oh, enzyme treatment.
Enzyme treatment.
But the first bit is the papaya mask.
Oh.
For me in today. She's just about to get a facial done with Natalie.
Guys, when I tell you, that was such an experience. I live for it. So what's going to happen is that I will be going there on a regular basis so that you guys can see all of the difference, all of the improvements. And I am very, very happy with the first treatment. I got my teeth cleaned, as you saw. Fantastic. Ding, 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 ding. And then he's going to go in and fix the broken teeth in the back, you know, and the whitening, also professional whitening is going to be fantastic. And then, of course, the skincare. Like, oh wow, oh wow. I absolutely loved it. I'm going to put all of the details down in the bottom for you guys. All right. Thank you for coming with me. And I will see you Monday.